guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about this beautiful tote. This is the Chloe Woody tote. I have it with the black trim. Let's just do a little bit review, kind of a first impressions. So let's get started. So I have this tote for like a month, a little over a month now, and I use it quite a bit, and I wanted to do kind of review, first impression video. So let's just do the basics first. This is the medium size of this tote. There are three sizes. There are a small size, which is really tiny. This is the medium size, and then there's a large size, which is more, see, the medium is more kind of like a vertical. The large size is more like horizontal. So yes, this is definitely a medium-sized tote, and mine, like I mentioned, is with the black kind of a leather trim. There is one that comes with a brown leather trim, which is really popular. Black seems to be a little bit more difficult to find. It seems like it's always sold out, but I'm gonna do my best to link down below both totes with the brown as well as the black trim. I know these totes are super popular, especially in Europe, and they're nearly impossible to buy. But I bought it for summer because I thought this was gonna be such a beautiful bag for the summer, so casual, such an easy kind of a handbag, and I have to tell you that I was right. All right, the only thing that I was afraid, and I did a video about taking care of this kind of a canvas, because this canvas is not coated, this is not treated canvas, so that's why I said I was afraid that it just might get very dirty very quickly. So I did a video of how I take care of this, how I treat this canvas before I use the handbag. I'm gonna link it, I think, up there somewhere, so you can go ahead and check. But this is how my bag looks basically after over a month of use. It is absolutely perfect. I didn't use it obviously like every single day, but I use it quite a bit because I really wanted to kind of feel it, how it really gonna work. Okay, so right now this handbag is all packed, so I'm just gonna show you quickly what I have in here, what can possibly fit in here. So here's a little overview. This is how I have it all packed. So let me just start with, I have a scarf, and this is pretty large scarf from Louis Vuitton, but it's very thin, so it can basically fold it to nothing. And especially if you go to like, outside is so hot and so humid, and then when you go to the air conditioner place, it's just like so freezing. So I like to have something, especially if I take a big bag over the summer, I like to keep a scarf in my handbag because it's just cold. Okay, I go to the restaurant, I go to the stores. We went to the Sam's Club last Friday, and I nearly froze because I didn't have it with me. So it was just like, it was like terrible. So anyway, so I took the scarf out of here. I have two things. I have a little book in here, and then I have my wallet. This is my medium Chanel wallet, kind of that I'm using these days. So it's here. I should probably change it because I've been using it for a couple of months. And the biggest thing I have in here is my toiletry pouch 26. So let me just close it because I always keep it open, you guys. It's just so much easier. But let me just close it so you can see how it looks and how much space does it take in this handbag. So this is exactly how it looks. So there is still little room on the side, as you can tell, but it's not much. If I push it to one side a little bit more, yeah, I can probably still put like a little water bottle there on the side if I have to. But I found it that the toiletry pouch 26 is a good kind of an organizer for this handbag, because if I take this out, let me show you guys, there is really nothing in here. This is just a little pocket, little slip pocket that it's, I don't put much in there, and it's just one empty space, and there's no closure, there's no zipper, there's no hook, there's just nothing. So I just found that this is better if I have some kind of a cosmetic case. You don't have to have this, big one. You can put any small one, or you can really put anything, or you just don't have to put anything at all. But I like to have it just for the security. I have like a bunch of stuff in here. I even put my keys in here, like extra card holder, you know, with extra cards if I need some Kleenex, you know, hand sanitizer, the usual stuff, you know, some lipstick. So it's just kind of small miscellaneous things. It seems like it's easier to just kind of put it, you know, with this, unless I really want to be super lightweight, you know what I mean? Because this handbag is very lightweight. So obviously if you put this cosmetic case with everything, all this junk that I have in here, that's gonna be, you know, adding some weight. So if you really want to keep it super lightweight, like for example, if you just take a wallet and let's say you put your scarf, I don't know, you just put your keys in here, that's gonna be like super light, you know, you don't have to worry about anything, or just put a tiny cosmetic case and then you're good to go. So another thing that I noticed with this handbag is that when you actually do put some stuff in, it's easier to carry on your shoulder. When I first, you know, tried when it was empty, it was kind of falling off my shoulder a little bit and I was like not sure. But then once I, you know, like even now, I put just the wallet and the scarf and this is already good. So it feels quite more comfortable on the shoulder because, you know, you have obviously some weight, you know, to the bag. So it sits very nicely. Let me give you guys some measurements. So, because I'm sure everybody is kind of curious how, you know, how big or how small this tote is. All right, so let me start with the strap drop. So if I go from here, so it's about 10 inches. So it is very nice and, you know, there's enough room on the shoulder. It's about 10 inches. All right, the length of the handbag, I'm just gonna go from like one edge to another. It's about 14 and a half, no, 14, about 14 inches. So it's about 14 inches. And then let's see, the lengthwise is, I'm just gonna go to the stitching all the way here on the bottom. So it's about 13 inches, but if I don't go to the stitching, it's about 11 and a half. So it's really depend, you know, but to the stitching here, it's 13 inches. So I think it's a very good, like a medium size, you know, handbag. You don't have like humongous tote that you carry, but this is just enough, in my opinion, for like a daily essentials. Here's the comparison with my Neverfull. So obviously you can tell that the Neverfull is a little bit wider. It's just bigger, and honestly you can put a lot more things in the Neverfull than this one. Do you see the difference in the strap drop? See how Neverfull, how much higher it is and how lower the Chloe tote is. This is like my complaint about the Neverfull, that I wish those straps were just a little bit longer. I consider even my Neverfull to be like a medium kind of a size bag, but now you can tell that this is much smaller than, you know, the Neverfull, and because this is not a coated canvas, this is like a fabric canvas, it feels much more thicker and more like it has some kind of a structure. If you can tell, there is some kind of a structure to this handbag. So so far I really don't have complaints. I feel like this is such a good handbag. You can probably even put your laptop if you have here. Honestly, you guys, I don't own a laptop. I don't have a laptop. Everything I do is on my iMac. I do have like a little, let's say, folder, like if you want to, so you can see visually. See if I put this folder, it sticks out just a little bit. So this is like a kind of like a magazine size, I would say. I can put it this way as well, so it will fit and here. So yeah, you can certainly put, you know, if you want to use it as a little work bag, you can certainly put some documents in here. And I assumed the laptop would fit in here. I just don't have a laptop to show you all the old laptops that I have. I don't even know where they are. So yes, so basically, you know, this is just like a nice medium size handbag, and I think it's wonderful for the summer. I did buy a Chloe those little slides, the shoes, but I end up returning them. I put the video with my summer shoes. I'm gonna link it up there so you can check it out, and I show you those Chloe Woody, what did I call them? Chloe Woody slides, I think they call them. They have like very thick bottom, and I thought they're just gonna go nicely with my new handbag, but they were just so uncomfortable, so I ended up returning them. But I absolutely love this tote, and you guys, I got so many, not maybe compliments, but like looks, you know, when I walk, and I went to the nail salon to do my pedicure and all that stuff, and I was like, I got those looks, you know. Sorry guys, my battery like died in the middle of the sentence. So what I was trying to say, I've got a lot of looks, you know, from, you know, whatever I go around, you know, because obviously that logo is like right in your face. So if you don't like logos, you might not like this tote, but hey, I don't mind, okay? I feel like, yes, it is a very logo-like, but at the same time, it's nice. So I do love carrying this handbag. I think it's a great pick for the summer. I know they are coming up for like, because this tote is so popular. I've seen it in the full leather version. Obviously, it's gonna be more expensive. By the way, this tote cost around $1,000. So yeah, it's just so many. I feel like there's just gonna be way many more version coming up, you know, and probably by the next summer we're gonna see some more colors and, you know, all of it. So anyway, yes, so I think this is all I wanted to say about this handbag. If you do have any questions, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and obviously if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I hope I covered everything what I wanted to say. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.